Hi everyone, today I'm preparing pumpkin with smoked pork. The ingredients are pumpkin from my garden, garlic, some smoked pork, onion, spring onion, it's optional, Mairen, lemon basil, and a piece of ginger. First let's chop them up. Hanlo in kakpokse. I finished chopping them. I forgot to show this fermented bamboo shoot. I'll shred them up. And now let's start preparing it. Put some oil, around 2 tablespoons of oil. Put the spring onion. Crushed ginger and garlic. Smoked pork. Salt to taste, from half chili seed. Chili powder. You can use good oksha if you have. Put water. Put enough water for the gravy. Pumpkin curry is done. Garnish it with lemon basil. Mix it. Switch off the flame. It's done. Mairen. I made a bowl from banana stem. No gravy, that's why I can use it. Wow. Siki lapu gi stem na same mane sisi. Mahiyaw the boy happy. Mahiyaw di yalo. My pumpkin and smoked pork curry is ready to be served.